Hey everyone, it's Madison with Black Girl Workouts. We're going to be making my favorite kale chips today, so let's go ahead and get started. Go ahead and set your oven at 350 just to get out the way, and then we're going to go ahead and start mixing everything. For this recipe, you're going to need some kale, olive oil, salt, pepper, garlic, and if you're feeling fancy, I highly recommend adding some Parmesan cheese because it makes it so much better. Alright, so you're going to add about 2 cups of kale in. And then you're gonna add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And then for the salt and pepper, I usually just kind of go with what I feel. But I like a lot of pepper. And then for the garlic, I used about 1 clove, and I already cut it up, so I'm just gonna go ahead and add that. And like I said, a little bit of Parmesan cheese just to make it taste a little better. And now we're going to go ahead and mix everything up. Alright, fun fact about kale is it's really good for digestion, just like a lot of other leafy greens. So I highly recommend adding it to your diet. It also is like really high in iron, which is great for women because you know we lose a lot of iron when we're on our periods. So at least try adding kale to your diet during that time if you haven't really tried it before. Alright, so now that it's all mixed up, we're just going to go ahead and transfer it to our cookie sheet so we can throw it in the oven. And after we transfer it over to the cookie sheet, we're going to go ahead and put it in the oven for 20 minutes, alright? Alright guys, your finished product should look like this. Some nice, beautiful, crispy kale chips. Now the best part is when you're waiting for these to cook in the oven for the 20 minutes, you can just hop over into another room and do a quick workout and have these waiting for you right after. And they're so great. It's super easy to make. Anyways, thank you for tuning in and make sure you're following us on all of our socials. See you guys later. Bye!
All her friends bad like her, talking number rows. She dropped out of school just to work a fucking pole.